The app now returns HTTP 500 and is a permanent denial of service. This challenge models Classvolution security defect in Python and is inspired from this blog post from Abdul Ra. It talks about a variation of JavaScript parameter pollution, but in Python. Let me open up this app and explore what it does. We can see here the app uses Fast API, which is a popular framework to build APIs in Python. The API has two endpoints. One is to retrieve a user detail, and the other one to update a user detail. Before we start the exploitation, let me add a print statement here to know the user object class name. I will run now the first request. User class name is main.user. Now here is our first Classvolution payload. We use the magic method of class and chaining that up with another magic method called qualName, which is very similar to exploitation of SSTI, and we set it to an arbitrary value foo. This will pollute the memory for the user object and will change the class name to main.foo. Magic methods are pretty powerful, and here is another example of exploitation. By default, we are not able to inject additional property to this user object or even change the data type for an existing property. It's being rejected. Now, by using Classvolution, I will chain up init magic method with self magic method and point to an existing property here, age, and it will change the data type to a string. The app now returns HTTP 500 and is a permanent denial of service.